Welcome to the online public involvement presentation for the proposed improvements along the Highway 39 corridor in Iowa County. The purpose of this project is to address the deteriorating pavement and safety concerns along the roadway. The presentation will follow the outline shown here. This project begins at the Highway 23 intersection and continues east on Highway 39 for about 12.5 miles to the western village limits of Hollandale. The project is designed to address the deteriorating asphalt pavement and safety concerns on Highway 39. The pavement surface throughout the corridor is deteriorating and showing signs of cracking. In addition, the portion of Highway 39 located on a reverse curve located east of the South County D intersection experiences run-off-the-road type accidents. To address the corridor pavement deterioration and other safety concerns, the proposed project would remove and replace the asphalt throughout the project. To further improve safety, the beam guard would be replaced to meet the current design standards, and a high friction surface treatment would be installed. Centerline rumble strips and new pavement marking would also be installed throughout the entire corridor. The addition of the rumble strips helps to alert drivers that they have left their lane. The existing beam guard would be replaced at 2 locations to meet current design standards with proper slope grading. Proper slope grading is important to allow beam guard to work as intended and allow for proper vehicle engagement. Lack of proper grading near the beam guard terminals can cause beam guard to fail or not function properly in the event of a crash. To address the corridor safety on Highway 39 at the reverse curve just east of County D, a high friction surface treatment would be applied to the driving lanes and shoulders. A high friction surface treatment improves the friction coefficient to reduce snow, wet, and ice-related crashes. Highway 39 will remain open to traffic, and the project is anticipated to be built using single-lane closures and flagging operations. Motorists can expect some delays to occur during these operations. During construction, access will be maintained for residences and businesses to the greatest extent possible. Limited exceptions to driveway access are expected when work operations are immediately in front of access points. However, these times of restricted access are anticipated to be infrequent and well communicated in advance of any access restricting work. Specific access needs can be communicated with the design team now or with the department's field representatives during construction. This is the current schedule for this project in Iowa County. A meeting with the local officials was held on March 14, 2024 to provide information about the project and to gather information from local agencies. The project team is actively working on the environmental document, which is anticipated to be signed in the summer of 2024. The final plans should be completed by November 2026, with scheduled construction starting in 2031. The advanceable construction could start as early as 2027, depending on project funding. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the project, please send us an email, give us a call, or send us mail. Project information will also be updated as needed on the project website listed here. Thank you for your interest in this project, and we sincerely look forward to working with you to make these proposed improvements a success.